Hey, Revski brothers, we're here in DC, 1 week before the Freedom 250. Big Daddy's in town, he just flew in. We're gonna go try to catch him while he's heading out.
Do you think, I think the track is gonna be on Constitution Avenue.
So the track's gonna be way down there.
Okay.
Capitol's on the far end.
Nice. All right, let's go this way. Dude, I think that might be him. No, I think he already there.
No, he's on the ground.
Oh, he's on the ground? Okay. Let's go check it out.
So right over here. The White House is right behind.
Yeah.
Everything right there. And he should come. So he's coming in right now. Here it is.
Yep. Yeah, I think that's him.
Welcome, Revski brothers, to Washington, D.C., where Big Papi's in town for the Freedom 250.
Wait, where is he going? Is he going in the lawn?
He's gonna go in the lawn right in front of the house, dog. Where do you expect Big Daddy to go? Oh my God!
I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty cool.
Yeah,
that was pretty cool.
That's pretty cool.
Wow, wowee wow. You ready? You ready for Freedom 250?
Are you ready for the Freedom 250? Here in Washington, D.C. Welcome back, Revski brothers. We're here in D.C. a week before the Freedom 250. Yeah, that's right. All the big boys are coming to town. Presidente just rolled in the helicopter. But yeah, this is going to be one of the gates. Hairpin back in. We saw this last weekend up there in Canada. These hairpins are a lot of trouble for the INDYCARs, so it'll be a lot of fun to see. All right, so I think this is like the end of the racetrack. So look, they're actually welding the manhole shut right now. So you see down there, this guy. So because of the forces, suction with the downforce of the car.
That's right. So that they don't lift. Yeah.
Weld all the manholes shut, so they'll go flying up. But yeah, coming into this. Hairpin kind of comes back down to the main straight, I believe. The checker flat's going to be down there. Turn one's right in front of the Capitol. Look at that. Powering America for the next 250 years. Hey guys, we're green flag for the race. Are you guys ready to rev it out for freedom? All right, what's up guys? We're continuing to walk the Freedom 250 track here. Down here's turn 3, coming up to turn 4 at 7th and Constitution. Yeah, 7th and Constitution, heading that direction down to turn 5. Just talked with a guy, he says there's gonna be like something like 170 plus laps for this for the 250 mile race.
174, yeah.
174, that's a lot of laps on an IndyCar, guys. That's a lot of a tight track. From what we're seeing out here, that it is very, very tight. This turn right here that I have to come, they're gonna come out nice and wide, swoop back to this side, cut back in. It's gonna be kind of a tight, might be a good passing zone up going to 5.
Nice. Where are you gonna go next? Should we go that way?
Let's go to 5. Let's
or go keep walking that way?
Yeah,
okay.
Because that was turn 2. Turn 1's right in front of the Capitol. It turns out, and start finishes right in front of the Capitol.
All right.
Ready for what?
For
race?
Freedom 250. Dude, I wish we gotten tickets, but this is so cool.
Yeah.
So this is the actual track, right?
We're like walking the track right now, basically. They're going to be coming. I think this is actually where the pits are. So they're going to have pits right through here. And this side is going to be the actual racetrack coming through.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
We'll see. Maybe they can hit, I hope they get hit 200 on the straight. Pretty decent straight. We'll throw the stats up here and take a gander, see what else we can find.
Let's go. I'm gonna film this.
Coming out of the track.
Oh my god. We're running. Let's go. Walking the track. That's so cool.
Turn 5, turn 6. I think it's turn 6, 7, 8.
6, 7.
Turn 6.
And we're right next to the National Air and Space Museum. That's cool. So what is this? Like people...
It's a walkway.
People, okay. Nice. That's so cool. Dude, that's cool. What, this is what, turn 6, 7 you said? 6, 7.
Turn 6, 7.
Well,
It's gonna be interesting. That is super tight, dude. They're gonna have to slow down a lot to get through that because it's kind of, the barrier's kind of poking out.
nice. And we're almost close to the Capitol. Let's go check it out.
We're right on the Capitol.
Let's go.
Gonna go up here and then the Capitol's right there. That's so crazy to on the track.
Nice. You can't see the Capitol here now because of the trees, but it's right there, yeah. Well, we'll see it because I know this. Yeah, we'll see the Capitol like coming up right now on the right in a couple of seconds. Nice.
Cool, right? We've got the chicane here with the, I think it's the
Native American?
Native American Museum right behind it. Right here. They're taking a lot of measures for these exhibits to endure the vibrations of the cars whizzing by, the sound vibrations. So they're taking a lot of measures to make sure that those exhibits aren't disturbed during this race.
Tight.
Yeah.
That's really cool. So these are what? The boxes you said?
These are like VIP upgraded boxes. Bougie.
Yeah.
Pretty.
I mean,
Heads up.
heads up. I mean, here's for poor people. Here's for rich people. Right?
That's pretty wild.
I mean, kind of.
I've never seen anything like this done in DC.
Yeah,
I've lived here. I've lived here for 40 years.
I mean, this is a pop-up building, right? This is not even a building. I think they're gonna, I think they're gonna deassemble it because it's not gonna be here after this.
I mean, the top looks like the Embassy almost.
Yeah,
I know it doesn't.
that's crazy.
Crazy, dude.
But yeah, these poor people right here stands in the sun, right behind the Washington Monument right there. You can see the tip right there. Yeah, do you see the tip of the monument? And then right here you got the VIP section with like bar stools and stuff. Man, must be nice. Events DC. All right, we'll see.
Coming up to turn 5 at Independence Avenue. At 7th
There's
Street.
Jefferson right here. So
Jefferson, so we got to go all the way down to those guys.
okay, let's do it.
Boss Green,
We're walking the course.
walking the course with the Revski brothers. Hey guys, we're just walking down here to turn 5. With Frito, doesn't rain, it revs.
For Revski Brothers. Let's roll. They're putting the banners for the sponsors right now, right here. That's pretty cool. That's a nice view.
All right, guys. Yeah, this is coming up to the Capitol. As you can see in the background, there's a backstretch coming to the start-finish line. Start right there. Sure enough, you can see the grandstands here. We were on the grandstands just a minute ago, back over there in turn 4, turn 5 area in that stretch.
Nice.
So let's go get a drink and some food.
You wanna sit down somewhere? So this is the grandstands right here. I think these are the best seats in the house for the Freedom 250 right here, because
if you look off to the other side, you got the Capitol.
yeah, you're just watching the race and then the Capitol on the other side. This is so nice.
You know, it's crazy. I got a photo somewhere of Dad's DTO sitting right up next to the Capitol. But
Nice.
dig it out.
I'm gonna find that picture, man.
He's got it at the house somewhere.
Nice.
Is
That's
this
cool.
the start finish?
I don't
that's
know.
it. There's the flag stand right there. Laying
Yep.
down, see it?
Yep.
That's the
So this
flag
is
stand right there. I bet that's start finish. Yep. They did it right in line with the Capitol doors.
oh, that makes sense. That's so smart. Yeah, so this is the start.
Yeah, and I bet the Washington Monument's right on the other side. If you look at a map, pop
Yeah.
the map up,
Mm-hmm.
it'll be right in line. Reflecting pool,
Nice.
Lincoln Memorial.
So this right here, the stairs right here, there's gonna be where
to start
the guy is
race.
gonna wave from there. Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
Look,
That's so cool.
pretty cool, man.
Nice.
Revski brothers, we're out here trackside. A typical DC fan. I could come here. Get down.
Oh my God! Wait, I don't want to drop the phone in there, dude. That's it's lost. If you drop the phone there, it's lost.
Well, anyways, this
Woo!
is the Fox broadcast booth where they're going to do the race. Fox, I think, is the ones broadcasting it for all the media coverage.
Dude, I'm gonna be watching for this hole on live tomorrow. Here, 1 second. Dude.
The deep.
Oh my God. Jesus.
All right, guys, we're here at turn 1. Capitol back in the background, coming down straightaway, start finish line. Fox booth 1, down straightaway to turn 2, which we started out with that overpass. But yeah, the Freedom 250, baby. We're really excited to see it here in DC. Super lucky to be here, as quiet as it is, before the race weekend.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was amazing and honestly out of this world. Just to be able to walk around the track before the track day, it's surreal. It's amazing. I don't know.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
Super cool. Glad we were able to do that on a sleepy day here in DC. Revski brothers, we'll see you here on the Freedom 500 next weekend.
Do you know what is this? It says
Yeah.
Freedom 250. That's cool. It's a Corvette. That's cool. Official vehicle. Do you think this is a fan?
No, that's a space car.
That's a what? Oh, that's a pace car?
Yeah.
Nice.
Look at the date on it. What's it say? Yeah, that's a pace car.
That's a what?
That's a pace car.
A pace car. So this car is gonna be driving around like.
Look at that panel over here.
That's nice. That looks sexy with the colors in the background. Yeah.